In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and click on Privacy section. Finally, you can click on Permission Manager and select all of those devices options to manage them. Let's start with Calendar. Now click on one of your apps. I will go with Booking.com from Not Allowed section and apply one of those by clicking on it. Allow or don't allow. I want to pick the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Booking.com just gained access to my device's calendar. If you want to, you can also select any feature, look for an app that you are interested in and click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!